In this video, we are going to start talking about sum and difference of rational expressions. And in this first example, we are going to see that we have a sum and difference. We are going to add and subtract three fractions. And I can tell that those are rational expressions as well because all fractions are rational expressions. So for example, if somebody is going to tell me how to simplify it, I will tell, okay, it's very easy because all these three fractions have the same denominator. If they have the same denominator, we can put them on the same division bar. So one long division bar, and a common denominator, which is 15, is right here. And what I have to do, I just simply have to perform the operations with numerators. So I will have on the top 4 plus 3 and minus 1. Everything what I have to do, I just have to add those numbers. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 over 15. Are we done? No, because we definitely can reduce this fraction. And if we can do it, we have to. So we are going to divide top and bottom of the fraction by 3. And we're going to have 2 right here, 5 over here. And the answer should be 2 over 5. So this is a very simple example of sum and difference of rational expressions. And let's do a little bit more complicated stuff. So let's look at this example. So what I can see here are two fractions. Even those two fractions look kind of ugly. I claim that those are fractions. Here is this number right here on the top, 3x squared minus 8. And x plus 2 on the bottom. Here is the x squared minus 9 number on the top and x plus 2 on the bottom. Those are expressions, but in your mind it should be numbers. That's why the very first step when you're going to analyze how to simplify, in this case, difference of two rational expressions, the first thing what you have to do, you have to put parentheses around each quantity. So this is the number, this is the number. This one and this one. It's really important. Now, the next step is to do the same thing what we did for the first one. We can notice that they have the common denominator, the same, x plus 2, x plus 2, the same number, no matter what x is. So we can put them on the same division bar. We are going to write down the common denominator, which is x plus 2. And what I have to do here, I just have to copy down the operation what I'm going to do with numerators of the fraction. So I will have 3x squared minus 8. So here's my first number, first numerator, minus next number, x squared minus 9. Now, what I have to do, I have to continue, and clearly the denominator is still the same, it's x plus 2. And the major job what I'm going to do is going to be the numerator. So x plus 2 on the bottom. On the top, now there is no negative in front, so I can get rid of parentheses, 3x squared minus 8. However, this negative is going to be distributed over each term inside parentheses. So I will have negative x squared and positive 9. So after I combine like terms, I will have 3x squared minus x squared, just x, 2x squared. Negative 8 plus 9 is simply 1 over x plus 2. And this is the answer. Please resist the temptation to simplify more, like 2 and 2. We cannot do it because in our case, we don't have factors anymore. If you have plus right here, it means you don't have factors. You can cancel out factors only. Now, let me go back and explain why I insisted on those parentheses. So let's see, this is our answer. And I will show you the different answer, which is the wrong one, of course. In math, you cannot have like two answers the same. I'm going to erase parentheses. I will show the common mistake people usually do. So if you are lazy enough not to put parentheses, here is what people think. Okay, well, we have the same common denominator. So here is the common denominator, which is x plus 2. And now I'm going to copy down my first number, which is 3x squared minus 8. And then I have to subtract this one, right? So people put negative minus x squared and minus 9. They forget to distribute this negative. So hopefully, and of course you can see the difference. The answer is going to be 2x squared, but not plus 1 is going to be minus 17. And therefore, I hope that if you put parentheses from the very beginning, you will not forget distributed is negative. And here it's very easy to forget. So this is definitely the wrong thing. And this is the correct answer.